baby.
Rhythm is gonna get you. 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 Don't worry, you can find it every day. And no matter what you say, sit down, baby. Rhythm is gonna get you.
Rhythm is gonna get you.
No room of a tampering to you. And before this night is through, oh baby, rhythm is gonna get you.
Rhythm is gonna get you.
Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Come on, shake your booty.
La 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 la.
Rhythm is gonna get you.
La 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 la.
Get you.
La 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 la.
Rhythm is gonna get
La 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 la.
you. Rhythm is gonna get you.
La 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 la.
Get you.
La 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 la.
Rhythm is gonna get you. Tonight. Oh yeah.
All right, good afternoon, party people.
This
Here's a new song from Gloria.
Come on now.
Estefan. Here we go.
Come with your body, do that conga, no, can't just any longer. Come with your body, do that conga, no, can't just any longer. Come on, with your body, do that conga, no, can't just any longer. Feel the body, get it stronger, don't you want to die, do that conga beat. get it stronger. Don't you fight till you do the conga. Promise you my baby, do the conga. No, just any longer. Just get it stronger. Don't you fight till you do the conga. Do that conga.
Woo! Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was a very exhausting number.
All right. And good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome here at Gaisano Main.
Yes.
Of course, well, we are here at the Celebrity Hall for, of course, just doing the audition of the.
Audition set,
Hopefully.
Yes.
Sana po matanggap tayo lahat. Anyway, let's say thank you for all the judges, of course, the coordinators for this event this afternoon. We're very thankful for giving us a chance to perform here on this audition set for tonight.
All
right.
This afternoon, I mean.
Good afternoon to all the
And likewise, good luck to
entertainers.
all the performers.
Yes! Ang atin pong mga kasama at kapuso, kapamilya sa profession na ito. Ayan, they're very, of course, supportive. Of course, Michelle's instruments is providing us, of course.
So everybody, now we would love to continue with our set of audition
Yes.
music.
Yes, of
So,
course.
a song from his uncle, Lionel Richie.
Again, some danceable party songs for everyone.
Here we go.
Gonna be a song from Lionel Richie now. Here we go.
Come on. Do some Malawi dance. Here we go.
Whoa. Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. The way the world to be. Let the music play on, Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in one romance. We're going to
Party, caramo, fiesta, forever.
come on and sing along. We're going to
Party, caramo, fiesta, forever.
come on and sing my song. Sing a song all night long,
All night,
all night,
all
all
night,
night long,
all night,
all night,
all night,
night long,
all night,
all night,
all night,
night long.
all night,
Whoa.
all night.
People dancing all in the street. See the rhythm moving their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on, play on, play on. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, live, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song.
Here we go. All night long,
All night,
all night,
all night,
night long,
all night,
all night,
all night,
night long,
all night,
all night,
all night,
night long.
all night,
Yeah.
all night.
Once you get started, you can't sit down. Come join the party, so merry-go-round. Everyone's dancing, the troubles away. Come join the party, see how we play. Come on, people, here we go.
Tambalite settimo, yeah. Yeah, jumbo, jumbo, where the party always going. Oh, jamala, tambalite settimo, yeah.
Yeah, jump, jump. Oh, 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 yeah. We're gonna have have a party, baby. Sing the song, come on. All night long,
All night,
all night,
all night,
night long,
all night,
all night,
all night,
all night long,
all night,
all night,
all
all
night,
night long.
all night,
Yeah.
all night,
Everyone you meet, they're dancing on the street all night long.
all night, all night,
Everyone you meet, they're dancing on the street all night long.
all night,
Yeah.
all night,
Keep it going.
all night. Strike a pose. All night, all night,
Come on.
all night, all night,
Hey.
all night, 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 all night.
Yeah. It's gonna be our last song on this audition for tonight.
We would like to leave you with our very own local artist, the South Border. Come on.
Here he is in one.
She was working every day, dancing so perverse. But then she was blind. So she want to please believe me, instead of running around, still laughing all the time. She was 5'4" and lonely, and she walked to my room. So this is where you stay. Come on. When I tried to tell her about this lonely one, there's nothing I could say. To believe in me, I know you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Don't refuse this thing.
I'll be
Behind.
so any day in any way, not a ring had to come. They came to me, I swear.
Well,
When you're losing what you came for in the first place, it gets rough. Believe me, I can tell, I can tell. So I step into my lonely room, saying to myself, doesn't matter if I fall.
I'm wrong.
But then I heard some noise inside my door, and far away there was somebody crying.
Somebody who shouted,
Said,
do you believe in me?
I know you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Don't refuse this thing.
I'll be
Behind.
I said, do you believe
Believe in me.
I'm you're mine.
Don't refuse
This thing I'll be
behind.
Here we go.
Do you want to fly? Do you want to, yeah? I'm leaving you someday. Say, do you want my love? Do you want my love?
Rock the saxophone, come on.
Go, Michael. It's showdown. Break dance. That's Michael.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Michael in the house. Yeah, come on.
She was working every day, dancing still Paris. Then she was blind, blind, blind. Say, won't you please believe me instead of running around, still laughing on.
Somebody can shout.
Say, do you believe
in me?
Do you believe in me? I'm yours. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
I don't need you
To sing, I'll be.
So do you believe in me?
I'm yours. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Don't leave you still sing.
I'll be.
So do you believe in me?
I'm yours. You're mine.
Don't you refuse
To sing, I'll be behind. Do you believe in me? I'm yours. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Don't you refuse to sing.
I'll be
behind. So do you believe in me?
I'm yours. You're mine.
And don't you refuse to sing. I'll be behind. Do you believe in me?
I'm yours. You're mine.
Don't you refuse
To sing, I'll be behind.
Woo! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that was the list of danceable songs this afternoon. And we're now to our last two songs in the house. But before we're going to do our last danceable song, going to be a slow number for everyone. And let us give way to the only thorn among the roses
Yeah.
in the afternoon.
Siya lang tinik sa buhay namin.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Wala ba tayong konting palakpak kay Melody naman dyan? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Banatan mo, Mare. Pakita ang galing mo. Here we go.
Alright,
Here we
here
go.
we go. A song from Kevin Letu. Alright. Here we go. Something real that would suspension bridges